felt the frustration of Apple Pay services currently unavailable? Don't worry, this guide will get you back to seamless payments in no time. First, let's confirm the issue isn't on Apple's and open a web browser on any device and search for Apple System Status. Look for Apple Pay. If it's red or yellow, you'll need to wait for Apple to resolve it. If it's green, proceed to the next step. Next, double-check your card details. Go to the Wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the card you're having trouble with. Then tap the info icon. Carefully review the card number, expiry date, and security code to ensure there are no typos. Ensure your device is up-to-date. Outdated software can often cause compatibility issues. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update if an update is available. Download and install it. Sometimes, simply removing and reading your card can refresh the connection in the Wallet app. Tap your card, tap the info icon, and then select Remove Card. After that, tap the plus button to add it back, following the on-screen prompts. If the problem persists, the issue might be with your bank. Contact your bank's customer support directly. They can verify if there are any restrictions on your account or issues with their connection to Apple Pay. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome the Apple Pay services currently unavailable error and get back to easy, secure payments again.